Eastrock SDN BHD is an investment holding company with several business subsidiaries located throughout the state of Pahang and Kelantan. The company's mission is to deliver excellence, professionalism, health and safety, environmental protection, maximization of resource value, and sustainable value to our stakeholders. Eastrock believes that through dedicated focus and grounded experience, we are able to perform professionally and pursue greater achievements together. Eastrock has rich experience in asphalt premix plant, road construction, road pavement works, special structure pavement, transportation for construction, bituminous emulsion plant, logistics supply for road and building materials, etc., and currently has dozens of asphalt mixing plants. In order to expand asphalt business, Eastrock plans to purchase another set of asphalt mixing plants and then sets its sight on China. Before the cooperation, Eastrock has been paying attention to NFLG for 4 years. In view of the stable product quality and good reputation of customers in the engineering mixing field at home and abroad, Eastrock has finalized the cooperation intention with NFLG and purchased a set of NFLG GLB 3000 asphalt mixing plants. Affected by the epidemic, there are many difficulties in equipment delivery and installation. In order to ensure the construction period, NFLG overcame numerous difficulties, and the installation process of the project was orderly. It only took 40 days to complete the installation and commissioning. In October 2021, the GLB 3000 asphalt mixing plant successfully produced asphalt and was accepted by Eastrock, and the fast and efficient installation service of NFLG was highly praised and affirmed. NFLG GLB 3000 asphalt mixing plant adopts modular design. The equipment occupies a small area with strong site size adaptability. The unloading of cold bins adopts the braking method of compressed air, which can effectively solve the problem of material blocking. The unique blade structure design of the drying drum enables uniform heating, high thermal energy utilization, stable and reliable use. The vibrating screen is directly driven by a vibrating motor, which can ensure the vibrating screen to work efficiently and for a long time. The structure is simple and basically maintenance-free. The hot aggregate bin discharge door adopts a large and small double door structure with the function of fast and slow weighing so as to ensure the measurement accuracy. After the bitumen is metered, it can flow directly into the mixer by gravity, which can reduce the equipment maintenance work. The mixer mixing device adopts intermittent spiral arrangement, shorter mixing time, higher efficiency, and a variety of interfaces are reserved with RAP, wood fiber, and foamed asphalt, etc. can be added. NFLG's Asphalt Intelligent Control Management System transforms the complex asphalt production management process into simple and easy-to-learn operation steps. The operation interface adopts vivid dynamic screens to reflect the production conditions in real time, making the operation more efficient and convenient. As a professional service provider for overall solutions in the entire field of engineering mixing, NFLG actively participates in the construction of Malaysia's transportation infrastructure and contributes to the construction of the One Belt and One Road initiative with practical actions. NFLG will go along with Eastrock in the future to help it achieve the ambitious goal of becoming Malaysia's top asphalt concrete manufacturer.